All right, I wanted to show you a quick app I built out here in Hats AI. This creates social media posts or social posts from video transcript. I'll just kind of walk through it here real quick. Actually, Let me show you what it does first. So let's open it. Basically, we're going to put in our audience. We do a lot of CMMC, so companies that need to meet CMMC certification. Tone, do professional, key message. Uh, so the example I'm going to give is I want to um, promote our monthly office hours with assessor. So promote monthly office hours with an assessor webinar on March 13th, 2025. Register at https www.righthand technologygroup.com/office hours. Hashtags, let's do CMMC. Call to action, register for next office hours with an assessor webinar. And then we're going to upload the transcript. So, okay, so I'm going to drag this file from out of the window and just drag it in. There's the transcript, and I'm just going to click generate. So it's creating my LinkedIn post, an X post, a Facebook post. It's creating a YouTube title and a YouTube description. So now all I have to do is go post these with the actual video that goes with this. So in particular, that video short is about MFA. That's it. Now the cool thing, now that I've built this out, is I'm able to use make.com to automate populating this information, getting this information back, and then putting it in a database to review and approve. But anyway, I just want to kind of share that real quick. Oh yeah, may jump in to show you how it works. So basically, I'm just given an objective to take the video transcript, generate engaging social media posts, also create a YouTube video title and description. The inputs that I'm giving it are those fields that we filled out. Outputs are going to be a LinkedIn post, an X post, Facebook post, YouTube title and description. And then we're just giving some examples, example output. So here's the input example, and here's the output example. And then we got this upload variable. That's it. I click preview. It's what we were just looking at. So if you have any ideas or anybody wants to learn more about HATS AI or automation or AI, don't hesitate to reach out. Thanks.